Hello children, I heartily welcome to all. We completed the chapter Dog Finds His Master. I hope you understood the lesson. In our previous classes, I already taught you this is a folk story and how it means the dog, how it willfully became the servant of human. And from our ancient times, dog is the most lovable and pet animal of human beings. But why and how? We came to know about that after reading this story itself. Now, I hope you people came to know how and why it is our favorite animal and pet animal, how it became. Okay? So, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the question and answers and also grammar part of the lesson. Our first question is, why was the dog not happy with the way he was living? Here they are asking, why was the dog? The dog was not happy. Why it was not happy? Why was the dog not happy with the way he was living? Why he was feeling sad? Why he is not happy? So, what is the answer? Why it was not happy? Because the dog was not happy for way of his life, wandering for whole day here and there for food and being frightened of those animals who were more strong than him. So day by day, what happened? What happened to that dog? It became sick and tired. So he was not happy with the way he was living. Our next question is, with what words did the wolf reply to the dog? What did he mean by that? What was the reply of the dog? What was the reply of wolf to the dog? What did he mean by that? First, dog went to search his master. On his way, first he met to the wolf, and that time that dog asked the wolf that, will you be my master? That time what wolf replied? He said, why not? What he replied? Why not? That is what they are asking here. What did he mean by that? Under our word, the meaning in why not? It means he agreed to be his master. Whose master? Dog's master. Next, why did the dog take up service with the bear? First he was the servant of wolf, but why he became servant of bear now? Why did the dog take up the service with bear? Because first what he thought the wolf is stronger animal, but after seeing the behavior of wolf, he afraid of the bear. So he thought bear is more strong than the wolf. So he decided to take up service of the bear. Next one is, why was the dog very much surprised? Why was the dog surprised? Why? The dog was very much surprised. Surprised because after seeing of the behavior of the wolf, how the wolf was frightened of bear and how it is running into the deep forest. So after seeing the behavior of wolf, he became surprised. Dog became surprised. He was surprised. Thus, after seeing the behavior of the wolf, how it is running towards the deep forest, after seeing the bear, it frightened of bear. So he was surprised. Next one, what did the bear say to the dog about the lion? What did the bear say to the dog about the lion? Why did he say so? The bear said to the dog that the lion is strongest beast on the entire earth and this whole forest ruled by the lion. Why did he say so? Why he said that the lion is strongest beast? Because bear said the lion is strongest beast, and also he rules the whole forest, and he was the king of forest. So he said so. Next one, what advice did the lion give to the dog? What was the advice did the lion give to the dog? The lion advised that I can smell a man coming. What advice he gave to the dog? That he can smell a man coming this way. The man is coming towards us. Let's go back to the forest. If we would not escape from this place, what will happen? He will kill both of us. It's better to run from this place. We both will be in trouble, or else if we will not run from here, we both will be in trouble. Like this, the lion is advising to the dog. Tell your partner whether the following statements are true or false. Sometimes you will have to give reasons for your answer. This is the true or false part. Here you have to give. Sometimes you need to give reason. Sometimes you need to give reasons for your answer. Why it is true or why it is false. Let's discuss this. First one is, all dogs have followed the dog in this story. Yes, it is true because all the dogs followed the dog which is in this story. That is true. Next one is, none of the masters put any condition to take the dog into his service. Yes, it is true because none of the master put any condition. All they agreed to keep him as his servant without any condition. Not even the bear, not even the wolf, not even the lion. All they didn't put any condition to the dog to be their servant. Next one is, one of the masters took the dog to a feast. No, it is completely wrong. It is not true because one of the masters took the dog to a feast. Feast means meal. Did any of the master used the dog as their meal? No, it is false. Next one, each of the masters was angry with the dog for leaving his service. No, it is not true. All the masters left the dog very easily to go. They were not angry on the dog. Next one, any one of the masters could have eaten the dog. Yes, it is true. All they were very strong than the dog. They could have eaten the dog, but they did so. Any of the masters could have eaten the dog, but all means wolf, bear, lion. They didn't eat the dog. They were good with him. They behaved good. They were very nice to the dog. They behaved very well. Next one. At last, the dog found a master who could do his duty properly. Yes, it is true. At last, what happened? Dog finds his master. Yes, it is true. At last, dog finds his master. He found that man is stronger on the earth. So, he became the servant of man. All the animals afraid of one or the other animal. But man will not afraid of even the lion. But the man will not afraid of lion even. So he became the servant of man. So finally the dog, he chosen the man as his master. It is true. Sounds made by a few animals are given in the box. Match them with the animals given below and write them down in the space provided. Here, some animals are given: cats, donkeys, lions, dogs, monkeys, cows, ducks, crows, snakes, horses. How they made sound? That they have given in the bracket. Roar, moo, neigh, bray, quack, chatter, hiss, meow, caw, bark. We have to fill these sounds to the correct animals. Now let's see the exercise and we will try to fill the correct sound to the animal given. First animal is cats. The sound of cat is it mew. Sound of the cat is mew. The next one is donkeys. Donkeys, they bray. Sound of the donkeys is donkeys bray. Lions. How do lions sound? They roar. They roar. Dogs. What is the sound of the dog? They bark. Monkeys. Monkeys, they chatter. Cows, they moo. And ducks, they quack. Which animal sound is hiss? Here we can see here. Which animal sound is hiss? Yes, that is snakes. Crows, they caw. And horses, they neigh. So these are the sounds made by some animals. Hope you understood the question answers, true and false, and sounds made by few animals. Tomorrow we will continue the grammar part. Thank you. Bye bye.